What's the meaning of Alzheimer's disease? Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease.
Alzheimer's disease is a condition that affects the brain, causing a decline in memory and cognitive function. It is a progressive disease, meaning that symptoms worsen over time. Early symptoms may include forgetfulness or difficulty with tasks that were previously easy, while later symptoms can include disorientation, mood swings and behavioral changes. Alzheimer's disease is caused by the buildup of clumps of protein in the brain, which interfere with communication between brain cells and ultimately lead to cell death. There is currently no cure for Alzheimer's disease, but treatments can help manage symptoms and slow the progression of the disease.